Hello guys, welcome to the Beauticianchic channel. My name is Tifa and I'm getting my braids and my hair done today. We're actually trying out new colours. I'll show you. This is colour 27, I think. Hopefully it suits me. And we're mixing that up with colour 30. We're going bright today, guys. Excited, I'm excited, and I'm getting my makeup done. Pray for me. I'm joking. She's well trusted, she's beautiful. And hopefully she can make me beautiful as well. So yeah.
Hey guys, hello. How are you doing? Your girl is here, your popping queen is here.
Period.
And it's about to be popping. It's gonna be popping, guys. So today I've got my beautiful model.
Thank you.
Yes, so we're gonna be glamming her up. We're gonna be doing her hair and her makeup. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys show her love. She's gonna be reading the comments. If she doesn't see you guys commenting beautiful, beautiful, lovely,
I'm watching.
Yeah, she's gonna be watching. So you guys please show her some love. Share this video, like, comment, okay? And yeah, stay tuned. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna be doing the hair, baby girl. Nice. We're gonna be starting with the hair. You're looking pretty already.
Thank you.
Maybe we don't need makeup for you, just your hair. You don't need to do makeup.
Imagine.
No, you don't need makeup. Let's just do your hair.
I look like I just woke up, guys.
No. You know what? You don't need makeup. Everyone is gonna say in the comment section like she doesn't need makeup.
I appreciate it, guys.
You guys comment below if you think she needs makeup. Look at her face. No makeup, nothing. Can you believe that? She's already popping. So let's just do her hair. We're just like, bye. Bye, Felicia. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay, so what it is we're going to be doing, we're going to be mixing the colors.
Yeah, colour 30 and colour 27.
So how? Both on one braid, we have two colors.
Two colours, yes.
This color is not bad on its own, though.
It's not bad, actually. I don't know, should we just stick to this? Is that what you're thinking?
No. Girl, we have to pop. We have to mix it up. Why not? Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll take one, then I'll take another one.
And mix them together.
Yeah. Let's see. It's nice.
Look, this colour is not bad on its own.
Yeah, but I think just a little bit of this
Just
one.
a little bit, yeah.
So let's see. Maybe not equal.
Well, yeah, more of this.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see how that's going to go. The good thing is we're going to start from the back. So if anything, so we'll now change when we get to the front. Yeah, it's always wise to start on the back. So we'll change. If it's not looking good, when we get to the front,
it's bright. It's
on
bright.
the back, it doesn't look bright, right?
It's bright, guys.
But not as bright as the 27 in Nigeria.
Yeah, not
the
as
27
bright.
in Nigeria is brighter.
It's brighter.
The one in UK, I don't know why, for some reason. Maybe it's different.
I think, yeah, mixing it a bit better.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see.
This is nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Just like my hair.
It's literally just like hairs. We're twinning, guys. We're literally twinning.
Yeah. Wow. But my one is more brown.
Yeah, I think your brown's browner.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a little bit of this out. So this. So not equal. And we'll just mix. Or maybe what we can do is, instead of mixing, when you're giving me, you can just be mixing it. Instead of mixing it like this. So what some people do is like, they take a layer of this and they do like this. I've done this mixture together before.
Oh.
You see? At least that way you can get the quantity. You can be like, okay, I do one layer of this. So you can do this. And then, you know.
Get more brown.
Yeah. So let's see how we can do that. So, yeah.
Okay.
This is nice.
This is nice.
Yeah, so we're going to get it
sticking.
long. So we're going to be adding.
Yeah.
Or I'll pull it. So what I do sometimes I pull it and it's longer. So
Yeah.
we'll see. And because it's not less, maybe we can start. You guys, yeah, it's been a while, like a good while, like a long time I've done knotless. So wish me luck. I've not done knotless in a long time. I think I have a video when I did knotless. But I've not, because knotless you have to be doing it more often.
Yeah, to get perfect at it.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so then let's move the chair around. Maybe face you that way so they can see the back. I'll give you
this is my good side, guys.
Which one?
I think this side.
Okay, she have a good side. She have a good side, guys.
Because listen, the psychology of it is the left side tends to be warmer. So it tends
it's what you think. Both sides are good.
No.
You're beautiful on both sides, so there's no good sides. There's no good or bad sides. Sorry, I don't agree. Which is good side?
I take it. Guys, if you need somebody to gas you up, yeah, cheat yourself.
Not true. You know what? You read the comment section. You see people saying, "Yeah, it's true." Not the bad side. Where is our rubber band though?
You can use that one.
Okay.
But I don't know where the one
You have the bigger one.
Yeah.
Right? You know what? I don't even need to hold it tight. Just to see what we're doing. Oh, Slake and Slay. Janet collection. So that's what I'm going to be using.
Okay.
Slake and Slay.
Nice.
Slake and Slay. So let's see. By the time I do 1, 2, 3, I know I'm gonna figure it out.
Get a hang of it.
Yeah. People who have very long hair,
Yeah.
they start with
They're natural hair.
yeah, natural hair. But I've done it before when I start with people's natural hair, and it's not always good. It doesn't last as long. Yeah.
I think I've had both actually.
With your natural hair, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's just the first. It's almost like the first, not even first like knot, almost like the first knot. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah. I think something with hair, because it's thin, it won't show. It's
it
still
wouldn't
light.
really show. Yeah.
Still light. So. Oh, I love the color.
So yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna be popping.
I'm quite happy
It's
about
a good
it.
you actually made me do knotless though, because I'll just be running away from it.
Knotless.
Like, I don't know do it like. Hey, we back. Hey guys, how are you doing? So we went to hate. Hey guys.
Hello everybody.
Good.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh dear.
Hi guys, we're back. Hair all done. Thank you, Beauticianchic. Thank you. I'm happy with the hair. Now it's time to be glammed.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. The hair is popping. You know, you guys, I was scared of knotless, but
Yeah.
I tried.
No, Beauticianchic.
I tried.
All the way. 100%
Look at
recommend.
that. It's popping.
beautiful.
It's popping.
Beautiful.
We tried.
No, you've done such a lovely job. I'm so happy.
Thanks, babe.
Guys, listen, I was scared to try the colour because I was like, I've
Yeah.
never done anything this bright, but
It's nice though.
Beauticianchic, 100% all the way.
It's nice. But you guys, we're tired. We are tired.
Knackered.
Yeah. We are actually tired.
We're tired.
But we need to do our face. We need to
ready
ready
for makeup.
Because how are we going to pose for the camera if our face is not popping? So yeah,
exactly.
makeup time. So we're going to do a quick one. So where is my spray? This is what do you call long lasting makeup setting spray from Benefit Cosmetics. So we're going to just spray you. This is going to refresh you. With this, you don't even need to wipe your face. See? Everything is so after that. We're not going to put moisturizer. I think the look I'm going to be going for is just nice skin work, nice foundation.
Okay.
Like, I won't go too much. I won't like, otherwise we'll sleep here.
Yeah.
You know, we don't do something just for us to take picture. So this is moisturizer.
Make me want to go out tonight.
Yeah, this is it. This is born this way. Too Faced, born this way. That means she didn't have makeup on, she's just born this way. Liars. You can't have foundation and say born this way. Or you actually apply something.
Stop making me laugh.
Yeah! How can a foundation be born this way? She's not born this way. Yes, we all know that.
Guys, she's making me laugh. I don't want to laugh.
So that's how she was born. So maybe it's true after all, we're born this way. Oh, it's nice though.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Your face will need highlighter because your face needs to actually wake
Wake
up.
up.
Needs to actually on the eye highlighter.
But that changes the whole look. It makes it so much better.
Mm-hmm.
When you highlight underneath. And worth it, right?
True.
Well, hopefully we pray so.
Yeah. The pressure.
The pressure is getting worse.
No! Oh my God! The pressure is getting worse.
The pressure
is getting worse.
Oh.
It's really the accent accent that make him so funny.
Honestly,
Like a Zimbabwe accent or whatever.
Yeah.
The pressure is getting worse.
The pressure
It's getting worse.
worse.
It's not nice the way you say it. That accent is the killer. Trust me. That accent is just the icing on the cake.
Oh god, so funny.
That's this. Oh, look at you, girl. So now we're gonna highlight because you need highlights in your life. Your face needs to wake up.
They said I need to wake up.
Yeah.
I think I look
wake up. Wake up.
I look waking up.
She needs to wake. If you touch this face, it's sorry for you guys. It's 1 million messages in my DM. We'll draw this brow.
I draw this eyebrow.
It's long.
Put this lip gloss.
It's long. And it's sorry for you guys. It's sorry for you guys.
Sorry for you guys. 20,000 in my DM.
So sorry for all of you.
They're not ready.
You know?
They're not ready.
Ah. So guys, brows done, Benefits brow products, and I did Benefits brow gel. Okay, so I'm gonna conceal quickly. We're not gonna do eyeshadow because yeah, like I said, we just wanna go. Okay, so we're gonna conceal the brows. Benefit brows popping. Also, you guys, make sure you check my eyelashes. Okay, check my eyelashes, please. Support your girl. I ship worldwide. I'm gonna put the eyelashes on the screen. Okay, I have 32 styles, make lashes. Okay, check them out.
Honestly, it's talent, guys. Talent, she's just talented.
Because,
honestly, who wakes up at 7 in the morning, does hair and makeup? Nice and snatched. I don't like to see what I do with my eyeshadow is. So I'll do like a brown to kind of make sure like the base is kind of all the same. So it's kind of not my skin color. Okay. So it's a bit of eyeshadow, but then I line underneath my eye with blue, and then I do like a little like thingy eyeshadow.
I do when I really want to be like crazy, like you know, trying to be extra, but not all the time. I have this. Yeah, girl, let's put some highlights. Yeah, you're popping. You know, she's feeling herself. You smile. Yeah. They're like, oh, God, young lady, we saw you before. Yeah. It's B3, she chose B3. I don't know why. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna do B3. Link to lashes is gonna be in the description. But I love B3 though. Simple, nice. Tapping is giving is natural, nice, everything. Go! So just gonna spray and do some baby hair, and that's it. I just have to baptize her face. It's that. So yeah, baby hair tie, and that's it. We call it a day. Wow! What a day.
What a day.
There's nothing quick about makeup. Even though like I'm just gonna do this and just go home, like I'm tired.
Still came out really nice.
I can't even believe myself because I was tired. Like I just like.
Do you know what we call that, guys? Talent.
Oh!
Talent.
In the beginning, I'm like, I'll just do something just to put something in the face. I was really thinking a lot, so like, oh my god, you know, I've not started like this. I was just like, oh, it's not gonna. I know eyeshadow is gonna take forever.
Yeah. And it's not everyday eyeshadow anyway.
Thank you.
So.
Well, this is not the last time you come here. Next time when you come, I'm not going to do no hair at all. Just face beads. So we can do creative. Yes. So we can get creative. Oh, this baby hair is nice.
Yeah, I love baby hair.
I see you. Ooh. Okay.
Catch me outside.
Okay. Okay. That's the hair, guys. Looking cute.
So
Yeah,
I just really want to thank
Beauticianchic. Thank you.
so much for Glam.
Yeah, you stayed all day here.
You've been here all day.
This is nice.
And I've been sat down, but she's been stood up
Aww.
for 12 hours.
Aww.
Fixing me up.
Aww. Aww. Thanks, babe. Thank you. You will come here again so we can do makeup. Just makeup alone.
You guys better like, subscribe,
You see?
and comment.
You
Because
know.
she deserves all the praises.
Aw, thanks, babe. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna take a few pictures and we call it a day. Ooh, nice. You look good. One will not tell that we did it like, no what?
In like 30 minutes.
No what?